Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Welcome to winter. For some of you in our northern states, it's business as usual for your lawn. For those that are down south, things are starting to get pretty chilly. Because your lawn has gone into some level of dormancy, it is really important that you don't cause any unnecessary stress to the grass. Here's some do's and don'ts for the next few months. Don't allow leaves and other debris to build up and smother your lawn. Don't let shade, where possible, prevent sunlight from getting to your lawn. Try and reduce the effect of frost burn by staying off your lawn in the mornings and irrigating early to help the frost melt quickly. Don't let weeds get out of control. If your lawn needs mowing, don't mow too low. Here's some things you can do to help it along. Apply iron and potassium-based fertilisers. Your lawn's health is paramount during winter. Important elements like these will ensure it stays at full health and will be ready for growth in spring. Apply Colour Guard. Colour Guard helps to strengthen your lawn and gives it a nice natural green colour that can last for up to 3 months. There's not that much to it when it comes to looking after your lawn during winter, but a few things considered will keep it healthy so it bounces back even better during spring. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button for some helpful lawn care tips right throughout the year. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia. We hope to catch you next time. For all your turf needs in Brisbane, visit JimboombaTurf.com.au.